In the open ocean, beneath the surface where light fades into blue silence, a conversation is happening. Not random noise, not instinctive clicks. A conversation. Because dolphins don't just communicate, they call each other by name. Here are 6 facts that reveal how dolphins recognize one another, and why it is one of the most extraordinary discoveries in animal science. 1. Dolphins create unique signature. Whistle's research on Bottlenose, dolphin shows that each dolphin develops its own unique whistle early in life. Scientists call it a signature whistle. It's not random, it's stable over time. And no 2 dolphins in the same group share the same one. Think of it like an acoustic fingerprint. From a young age, a dolphin invents a sound pattern that becomes its identity. In the ocean, where visibility is limited, sound travels far, and identity travels with it. They use these whistles. Like names for years, scientists wondered, are these just personal sounds? Or are they actually names? Experiments showed that dolphins respond strongly when they hear their own signature whistle played back to them. They swim toward the sound. They answer. But when they hear another dolphin's whistle, they react differently. It's recognition, not just noise. That means dolphins don't just make unique sounds, they recognize specific individuals through them. That's something once believed to be uniquely human. 3. Dolphins copy each other's whistles to call them here's where it gets even more fascinating. Dolphins can imitate another dolphin's signature whistle. When they do, it's not random mimicry. They use it to get that specific dolphin's attention. It's the equivalent of calling someone across a room. If one dolphin is separated from its group, it may whistle the signature of a close companion, and the companion often responds. That means dolphins aren't just labeling themselves, they're referencing others, calling them directly. They remember these names for years. Dolphins have exceptional long-term memory. In studies, dolphins were able to recognize the signature whistles of former companions even after being separated for more than 20 years. 20 years. That's one of the longest social memory spans recorded in non-human animals. They don't just remember faces, they remember voices. Specific acoustic identities. Some bonds in the ocean last decades. 5. Their brains are built for social intelligence. Dolphins have large, highly developed brains relative to body size. The neocortex, the part involved in higher thinking and social processing, is particularly advanced. They live in complex social groups. They cooperate. They form alliances. They even display behaviors that resemble empathy and coordinated strategy. Having individual names makes sense in a society that complex. When you live in tight-knit communities, identity matters. Recognition matters. Relationships matter. And dolphins seem to understand that. 6. This challenges how we define language. Human language includes names, labels tied to individuals. For decades, scientists believed this kind of symbolic reference was uniquely human. But dolphins demonstrate something similar. They create arbitrary sound patterns. They attach those patterns to specific individuals, and they use those patterns intentionally. It may not be language in the full human sense, but it is something more than simple communication. It's identity-based signaling. And that changes how we think about intelligence in the animal kingdom. Imagine drifting through the ocean, miles of open water, visibility limited, and somewhere in the blue distance you hear a whistle. Not just any whistle. Your whistle. Someone is calling you, and you recognize it instantly. Because even beneath the waves, you have a name. For a long time, we thought self-identity and naming were uniquely human traits. But dolphins remind us that intelligence takes many forms. Beneath the surface of the ocean is a social world filled with memory, recognition, and individual identity. And we are only beginning to understand it. The ocean is quieter than we imagine, but it is not silent. It is full of voices, and some of them are calling each other by name.